Okay, this is almost done, and now let's, for this here, for the area I'm going to use some kind of different color, just like this. Okay, and but if you want to do another color, you can use it, it's all up to you. Okay, I'm just using some random color to coloring this basket. Okay, and now again this light green, right, like this. And now again blue color. And now the last color will be the also the light green, like this. Okay, so this is it, and thank you for watching the video, and I hope you guys enjoy a lot and learn something new or something special from this video. I hope you enjoy, and see you in the next video.